you can open a Revit project template file in the same way as you can open a Revit project. Click on Open, browse to your Templates folder, and click and open the template file that you want to use. This now gives you the ability to edit this and customize it to suit your project or your company standards. And clicking on the New button from the Recent Files screen gives me the dialog box to select a template. Here I have my predefined ones. I can click on Browse and find the particular template that I want to use. Alternatively, I can opt for the None option. With None selected, if I click on OK, I'll be asked which system of measurement do I want to use in my project, imperial or metric. This will start a brand new file that has nothing loaded into it. There will be no families defined. There will be no views. And if you really want to customize your project template, this may be the answer for you.